Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Wheelfin here, and we got a CSX freight close to like 108. Should be appearing soon, and he's going a little bit slow. There he is, behind 88. Amtrak 88 was 63, or maybe it doesn't seem like it because it looks like he could be on the far left track. That is the side track. But it actually, yeah, it looks like he could be on the middle line from here, it seems like. And he's following behind 88 with 63, but 63 was 88, went by pretty fast. So this guy is having no problem going slow behind him. And there he goes. Nice K5, great K5 LA on him, and was a friendly crew, and yeah, and he was able to go track speed because, so I messed up there, but yeah, he was able to go track speed because before he slowed down just now, because the Amtrak was on track 1 and he's on track 2, the middle line, and in that left and in that third lane way over there doesn't count as a track because it's a side track. But yeah, that's why he was able to go fast at first, and then he slowed down just now to go get into the train yard, probably.